My name is Chris Bergman. I've been working for Beaverton Toyota for about 6 months. I like the automotive repair industry because the hours are flexible in the sense that you have different schedules. You can work a Monday through Friday, a Tuesday through Saturday. You can even work morning shifts. There's night shifts available. For me, I like it because I do work a Monday through Friday, which is good because my wife is a nurse and she works a Monday through Friday shift also. What I've found why people should work at Beaverton Toyota is the camaraderie and the family atmosphere. When I first started working here, the manager smiles made me feel like I was already part of the team before I was even hired. Made me feel comfortable, and everyone here is a team player. You can ask any technician for help and they'll gladly help you. I just like it because of that. They're very understanding of people's needs for family. People have children. I have a child on the way. I'm going to be taking leave. They have no problems with covering your shifts if you need shifts covered, and everyone's always willing to step in and help out.